County in central Illinois until 5 p.m. At 4:29 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Fairbury to near Lexington, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Colfax around 4:45 p.m. This includes Interstate 55 between mile markers 180 and 187. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The following is a